Hey everyone, if your iPhone keeps showing unable to check for update, don't worry. This is a common issue and there are several reliable fixes you can try to get your update working again. Follow these steps one by one until the problem is gone. First, make sure you're connected to a strong and stable internet network. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile connection can stop your iPhone from communicating with Apple's update servers. Try switching to a faster Wi-Fi, restarting your router, or reinserting your SIM card to refresh your connection. Sometimes that alone clears the issue. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone or iPad. A simple restart often clears temporary glitches that interfere with update checks. If your device won't restart normally or it's frozen, try performing a forced restart. It won't erase your data, but it resets system processes and can clear the update error. Next, check your date and time settings. An incorrect time can block update verification since your device must sync correctly with Apple servers. Open Settings, go to General, then Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is enabled. Once that's on, go back and try checking for updates again. In many cases, this solves the issue instantly. After trying these fixes, head to Settings, General, Software Update, and see if your iPhone now checks correctly. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and comment below which method worked for you. Your experience might help someone else. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.